We're so excited to be coming home today from our holiday break, and we want to show you today how much easier traveling has become with our new Lansinoh Smart Pump. It's so sleek and quiet. I can use it on the plane and don't have to worry about crew getting hungry and impatient for a bottle. So we're going to show you today how we use it. Production goes down for women when you fly, and so I love that they have an app that you can track how much you've pumped and how much you have for the baby, so that you know if they're getting enough. So this is their app, and it can show how long you breastfed for on each side, and then how much you pumped on each side, and I'll show you more about how we use that on the plane.